from etrafficers. In this tutorial we're going to be talking about how to create a custom sidebar. In our last video we learned how to create sidebars with menus and some of our default forms, but in this one we're going to learn how to make our own sidebar. So we're talking about website widgets. That's where we keep all our sidebars. If you want to learn how to edit the header or the footer, or do something more default with your sidebar, like have a menu of pages on your site, or a contact us form or something like that, consult some of the previous videos. But if you want to learn how to create a sidebar that is all yours, stay tuned. So what we're going to do is we're going to hit new sidebar, and let's give it a name. I'm going to call this creatively custom sidebar, and I'm going to hit save. Alright, so we'll see that the custom sidebar now appears in our list, and we have a blank slate to work with. Generally speaking, I'm going to say a custom form, you're going to use an HTML block, though of course if you want to include any of these other elements on the left hand side, like a search bar or a testimonial widget, feel free to add those in. You can stack them. You can have as many as you want in here. For now I'm just going to do the HTML widget, and I want a title. We're going to call this, let's put this on my example site, let's put it on this frequently asked mortgage questions page, and we're going to call it, what should we call it? Let's call it more questions, colon. And I want to put a picture in there just because I can. Let's put this lovely house. And as I've said before in previous videos, I'm going to make the width 100%, which means that it will fill the entire distance. I'm just going to get rid of height so that it's automatic with the width. I'm going to call this a house and hit OK. So now we have this lovely house. Actually I don't think I want it to go the full width. I want it to go 80%. So I'm going to say 80%. I'm going to put it like that. And with my cursor on one side or other of the picture, I'm going to hit the center justify so that it goes in the middle. Yeah, I think I like that. And down here, I'm just going to type some stuff. Do you have more questions about mortgage? Question mark. Consult this website. Exclamation point. So now I have a picture, I have some text. I want to add something special, so I'm going to put a little link here. And I'm going to go to this wonderful site called google.com, and I'm just going to copy the URL. And okay, so where it says website, I want to turn that into a link. So I'm going to hit the, with this text selected, I'm going to hit the link button. It looks like a little chain link. And where it says URL, I'm just going to paste in Google's URL and hit save. So now I have this custom sidebar created. It looks great. I'm going to hit assign to pages, and I want to put this on the frequently asked questions right there, and I want to add it as a right sidebar. No, I want to do something different this time. I'm going to put it as a left sidebar. Hit save, and let's refresh. And look, there it is. Wonderful. Do you have any more questions about mortgages? Consult this website. And it's a trick. It just takes them right to Google. Yeah, so that's how you create a custom sidebar. Obviously, you can create it something more in depth than this. Yeah, you can do as much or as little as you want to do. Also, remember, like in the previous videos, you can use these available macros on the left and the right. The ones on the right